Okay, you ready? Come out. Close your eyes. It's a surprise. A lobster! No. He's gonna be dinner tonight for me. But, okay. See if he knows it so he doesn't want to go in the back of the bag. Okay, look at us. I also got this stuff. Have you tried this kombucha stuff? It's really good. It's well, this multi-green one is okay, but yeah, it's I guess it's like fermented tea, but it tastes really good. It's kind of vinegary and kind of sour, and I like that a lot. This one I drink the multi-green because it's supposed to be healthier, but it also has a little bit of a gritty aftertaste. So beware. Bye!